Go. Hold on. Now open them up.
Hey, it's another egg.
Show the camera, honey.
It's a Rubik's Cube.
Let me see. It's a Rubik's Cube.
What's the next one? It's a pink egg.
What's inside?
It's Peppa Pig.
Oh, look.
Hi, Peppa.
Hi, Peppa. It's Peppa Pig. Very nice.
What's in this one? It's another egg.
Let me see.
It's a Squeaky.
Oh, look. It's Mrs. Puff.
What's in that yellow one?
Hey, put it up, up, up.
I am. It's another egg. It's Sandy Cheeks. What's in
It's
that?
Sandy Cheeks.
What's in that blue one?
Put it up here, honey. Up, up.
It's another egg. It's a coin.
What is it, a pirate coin?
Yeah. What's in that?
It's a pirate coin. R.
What's in that one?
It's a pink egg.
What's in? It's a blue egg. Is it a blue egg?
It sure is. What's inside of that one?
It's a Krabby Patty.
Oh, a Krabby Patty.
I like Krabby
Num,
Patty.
num, num, num. Everybody loves Krabby Patties.
What's in that orange one?
I don't know.
It's another egg.
What's in that spotted
It's
egg?
Dima.
It's Dima from Bubble Guppies.
What's in this one?
I don't know.
It's another egg. It's Goby.
It's Goby from the Bubble Guppies.
What's in that?
It's Goby.
What's in that one? It's another blue egg.
Oh, it's a polka dot blue egg.
It's another pirate.
Another pirate coin.
What's in that?
Look at that. R.
It's another egg.
It's a pink and purple egg.
It's Olaf and Elsa.
It's Olaf and Elsa.
Hi, Olaf and Elsa.
I'll set them up here while you open more eggs.
It's a green egg. Look, it's a green egg. It's Hello Kitty.
Oh, Hello Kitty.
Hi, Hello Kitty.
Hi, Hello Kitty.
What's in
Here's our
that
present so
one?
far, right next to the train set.
It's another egg.
Is that brown Play-Doh?
It's another egg.
Oh, what's inside of that prize egg?
It's King Neptune from SpongeBob.
It's King Neptune
From SpongeBob.
from SpongeBob.
What's in this one?
What is that one?
It's
That's
a,
yellow mix color.
it's a yellow polka dot egg. It's a pirate.
Another pirate coin. Arr!
What's
We
in
love
that
pirate treasure. And look, it has a boat on this side
What's in
and
the
a skull
blue
and
and
crossbones.
red one?
That's a red and blue
It's
one.
a blue egg.
It's a blue egg inside.
It has a smile face. It's candy.
Oh, look at that. It's red hard candy. Num num, I bet that's really good.
What's in that one?
It's an orange egg.
It's a purple egg.
Oh, it's a purple egg inside of orange Play-Doh.
It's George.
It's George from Peppa Pig.
Hi, George.
Hello, I'm George. And this is my sister Peppa.
What's in that one?
I don't know. Orange Play-Doh with a blue egg. That could be anything.
It's a chocolate coin.
It's a chocolate coin.
Yum, 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 yum.
Everybody loves chocolate coins, right, Peppa?
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
It's an orange egg.
Who's inside of that?
It's Squidward
Squidward.
from SpongeBob.
From SpongeBob.
What's in this one?
That's a blue prize egg.
It's Molly egg. Daddy's a Molly egg.
It's a pirate coin and
Huh?
the Strangler from SpongeBob.
A guy from SpongeBob.
Uh-huh.
And a gold coin.
And another pirate coin. You sure love your pirate coins.
It's a Bubble Puppy egg from Bubble Guppies. It's Bubble Puppy.
It's Bubble Puppy inside of a Bubble Puppy egg.
Wasn't that hard?
Everybody loves Bubble Puppy. I don't know.
It's a heart.
It's a heart?
It's a heart.
It's a heart egg.
Chattering teeth.
Chattering teeth?
Yeah.
Everybody loves chattering teeth.
So me.
Uh-huh. See what? Here, I'll put it down here.
Oh, that one. So this big one.
You gonna do the big one?
Yeah.
All right.
What's it? It's a Mr. Grouper egg.
Oh, very good.
It's a Mr. Grouper egg, isn't it?
That's right, it is a Mr. Grouper egg. What could be inside of a Mr. Grouper egg?
I don't know.
It could be anything.
It's Daddy Pig and
It's
Mommy.
Daddy Pig and Mommy Pig from Peppa Pig.
Hi, Daddy Pig and Mommy Pig.
Oh, hello, Peppa.
What's in that one?
Hello, George. I'm going to the office today. Look, they're right there. What's that one?
It's an orange egg.
What's inside of that?
It's
It's SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
It's SpongeBob Squeaky from SpongeBob.
What's in that one?
I don't know, that's a swirl egg.
It's an orange
Polka dot egg?
polka dot egg.
It's a pirate coin.
Ah,
Somebody got a treasure chest the other day.
what's in that
Another
one?
pirate coin. That's a red one with a yellow egg inside.
It's Patrick.
It's Patrick from SpongeBob.
What's in
Oh, hey, SpongeBob. What's that one?
It's a green egg. It's a green egg, Daddy.
Very nice.
It's a cow.
It's a cow?
Moo.
Oh, look. It's a cow toy. Everybody loves cows.
What's in that one?
That's a dark blue heart egg.
It's a heart.
What could be inside of that? There's something in there.
It's Krabby
Is it
Patties.
Krabby Patties?
More.
Look at that. Krabby Patties. Everybody loves Krabby Patties.
What's in this one?
Nature's own toxic stew of some type of gelatin substance.
It's a gill
Very
egg.
appetizing.
To go back to Fairtown.
I know. Is that a gill egg?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's a gill egg. What could be inside?
It's a Bomb and Patrick.
It's Patrick from SpongeBob and a Ba-Bomb from Mario.
card.
Card.
Daddy, make some
I used to
more.
love this stuff. I always wanted this as a kid. They never had
Daddy,
things like
can we
that.
make some more?
But you have them. Yes, we can. Let's see these prizes. Look at all those prizes.
Let's make some
And
more.
the Bubble Guppies background. Anybody can buy for $5.99.
Let's make some more.
Say goodbye, Emily.